bedroom with your homework. You're sitting there and thinking you've had enough, but we can help you with all the steps. Just get a piece of paper and get a pen. Whatever you do to one side, you gotta do to the other side, and you gotta make sure you take time. Equations, first step, identify the variable, then add or subtract the constant and put them all on one side. Multiply and divide to get the coefficient gone, so that the variables are free. Let's get a problem from a math book. 7k minus 14's 42. Now add 14 to both the sides. Negative 14 was cancelled out and 42 is now 56. Now you divide by the coefficient on both of the sides. Now the variable is alone. Now 56 becomes an 8, so your variable equals 8. Adam works 2 times each week. He gets paid amount K. He bought $20 gift card, and his paycheck after the gift card is $60. If you add 20 to both of the sides, it cleans out, and 60 is now 80. Now divide by the coefficient, so the variable is by themselves. 80 becomes 40. Your variable is 40. No, wasn't that easy? Equations are so easy until some numbers aren't free, and then you finally see brackets are in the way, and now you're really confused. Which strategy should you use? I know you're about to fuse, but let me just teach you. Here's an example. 3 times 20 plus n plus 3 equals 30. Just write the equation out and multiply 3 by all the numbers inside the brackets, and they will be gone. And now you're left with normal numbers. 60 plus 3n plus 3 is 30. Then combine like terms. So 60 plus 3, 60 plus 3n plus 3 is 30. Then subtract 63 from both of the sides. 3n equals negative 33. Now all you gotta do is divide by 3 and divide by 3 and divide by 3, and now all you gotta do is divide by 3 and divide by 3 and divide by 3 and now you have got the correct answer. You should have gotten negative 11. I'll give you another example, so just get ready, cause it's a long one. There are 2 groups, 3 and m. 2 gets distributed to both of them. They equal 50. Try this one on your own, on your own, on your own. Try this one on your own, on your own. Remember the steps, and you're done. Classroom, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the day begins, cause we have done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at home, tell me about fractions. Get a pencil and start writing these facts. Solving equations with fractions. Step 1, find common denominator. Then times each one by the common denominator. Next, use PEMDAS for the rest. 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 Welcome to my class. Teacher, take control now. We can't stop now. Stop now. We don't have to leave. Welcome to my class. Teach that lesson too long. Show me how to do it. We don't have to stop now. Welcome to my class. Welcome to my class. 12 over a minus 7 equals -1. Plus 7 to both sides. Then you get 12 over a equals 6. Divide 6 by 12 and get 2. 2/3 of the pie is gone. Adam ate another third. He spent $20. The variable or constant must be exactly the same. 4 and 3 are like terms, which means that they can be combined. 4 and x are unlike terms. That can only mean one thing. They cannot be combined because they are not the same. Now let's do a math equation. X plus 2x equals 5 plus 10. Everybody knows that you combine now. X plus 2x equals 3x. 5 plus 10 equals 15. Now do a one-step equation. Divide by the coefficient. So 3x becomes x and 15 becomes 5, which means x equals 5. Real world. Now, problems that I've seen. Ron went to the grocery store. He bought 6 bags full of apples. Susan went to the store too. She bought 6 cuties for her and 12 friends. If the number of fruit bought is equal to the amount Susan bought, what is x? The equation would be 6x equals 6 plus 12. Now combine 6 plus 12 to get 18. 6x equals 18 is now your problem. Now divide by your coefficient. 6x becomes x and 18 is now 3. So there were 3 bananas in each bag. And then you're done. Equations. But you still have one challenge left, and it's gonna be tough. You now have to put all these steps together. I'll give you some steps to help. Step 1, you clear the fraction by multiplying the denominator by every single term, and then you distribute the parentheses by multiplying the coefficient by each constant inside the parentheses. Now you combine any like terms involving variables and constants, then divide the variable by the coefficient on both sides. Then you set your variable. Here's an equation to put you to work. Ready? 14x divided by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 equals 7x plus 3. So first you clear the fraction. 14 times x plus 3 by multiplying x plus 3 by every term. So your equation is 14x equals 7x plus 3. Now you subtract 7x from both sides. So your equation is now 7x equals 21. All you have to do is divide 7 coefficients from a variable and divide 21 by 7. So your variable is now x equals 3. Real world problem is your very last test. At Johnny's house, there is 5 cookies divided by 3 people. Then Johnny gets 3 more cookies. Carl is also having a party at his house. There is 3 cookies and 2 people. They're both distributed by 6 people. Solve for C.